Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to join Google Meet meeting with a link. Now, if say for example you have received a link, say for example in this case I just sent it via email, what you can do is just head over here and just basically click this one and it's going to start a meeting for you, or it's going to basically ask you to join, and then you can go ahead and that get that started. And once the host, say for example, accepts you should be able to join the meeting just like this. So yeah, that's one way. Another way for us to do this one is if you are going to copy the meeting link. So I'm going to click copy a link address, head over to Google Meet, and then I can go ahead and paste the meeting here. Click the join button and still the same thing. It's going to pop me to join this particular meeting. So yeah, I can then go ahead and click the join now here in order for me to be in the same meeting as that person. So again, everybody, that is how you're going to join a Google Meet meeting with a link.